Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add products in Squarespace in 2026. So if you want to start selling online, build a store, or add digital products to your website, this guide will take you through everything step by step. First, make sure your Squarespace site has commerce enabled. If not, upgrade your plan so you can access the store and product tools. Next, go to your dashboard and click on Commerce, then select Inventory or Products. This is where all your items will be managed. Now click Add Product. You'll see options for physical products, digital downloads, services, or gift cards. Choose the one that fits what you want to sell. Next, add your product title, description, and price. Make sure your description is clear and explains exactly what the customer will get. Now upload high-quality images of your product. Good visuals help build trust and increase sales, so don't skip this step. Next, set your inventory if it's a physical product and configure shipping options like delivery zones, rates, or pickup options. Finally, click Save and Publish. Your product will now appear on your store and customers can start purchasing it right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a product in Squarespace. From here, just keep updating your store and adding more items to grow your online business. Hey everyone, welcome back.